Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Esign. First, you will upload your document, which can be a PDF, Word document, or even an image file. Next, simply add the email addresses of your recipients. You can specify the order in which they need to sign. Then, easily drag and drop signature fields and other necessary input areas onto your document before sending it out. Once you send the document, your recipients will receive an email containing a secure link. They can open and sign the document instantly from any device, whether it's a desktop or mobile phone, without needing to download any special applications or create an account. The system provides clear, guided navigation to ensure they complete all required fields accurately and efficiently. After sending, you can easily track the status of all your agreements from a central management page. You'll see real-time updates on who has viewed or signed the document. You can also set automatic reminders for recipients and access comprehensive audit trails for every transaction. All signed documents are securely stored and readily available for your records. Adobe Esign offers numerous benefits. It provides enhanced security features, including strong authentication and prevention against document duplication, ensuring your agreements are protected. It significantly streamlines your workflows, reducing the need for physical paper and saving a substantial amount of time. Plus, it integrates smoothly with many popular business applications, boosting overall productivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.